QR is an acronym for Quick Response. QR codes, being 2D versions of barcodes, were first designed in 1994 for managing inventory in the automotive industry. Cut to 27 years later, QR codes have permeated their way into countless industries and are actively used by consumers world over. At Beacon Stack, we've always known that QR codes were meant to be the physical to digital channel of the future. But QR codes are seeing an unprecedented uptick in adoption these days. And the reason for this? Smartphones today come with native QR codes scanning capabilities. This means that you simply have to pull out your phone, load up the camera app, and point at the QR code to reach the encoded content. Yep, it's that easy. You don't require third-party scanning apps anymore, and recent updates in Android and iOS indicate that scanning capabilities are improving too. With the recently rolled out iOS 14 update, users can scan QR codes that are extremely small in size in addition to those wrapped around objects. If you're a business owner, incorporating them into your business and deploying them for different use cases is extremely easy, be it marketing, inventory management, showcasing product information, dynamic forms, social media, and much, much more. In this video, I'll be taking you through different possible QR code use cases for your business. Let's jump right in. QR codes on business cards. Say you're handing out paper business cards to customers so that they can reach out to you whenever required. Given the nature of small-sized paper cards, you really can't tell them about your business in detail. Things like what makes you stand out from the crowd or different from others, discounts, programs that you've got for them, new products that are on their way, and more. If you try to stuff it all in, it's going to be messy and cluttered. But with a custom branded dynamic QR code, you can provide all the business info that you want and be on brand with your business. If you need to make any changes, you don't need to reprint or alter the QR code. Simply update what you need on the back end. Only dynamic QR codes allow you to do this. QR codes on website. Although QR codes are primarily a physical channel, they can also be used to bring users from one digital location to another. If you have an existing business webpage that's filled to the brim, simply deploy an attractive QR code on your website and use for varying business purposes. They're especially useful for giving out location details of your brick-and-mortar store to reach your customer service team or for sending predefined emails and text messages. QR codes on billboards and banners. QR codes on billboards and banners are not something new. Brands have been leveraging QR codes for this purpose for a while now. It's really effective for the simple reason that you can tell which one of your out-of-home ad displays is doing well based on the number of scans received. You can then target the same audience that have scanned your QR codes with more personalized marketing on platforms like Google and Facebook. Again, bear in mind that this is only possible with the dynamic QR codes and not free ones. QR codes on flyers. A small QR code to go on your flyers can instantly turn your flyer marketing into a more memorable experience. You're giving your audience the ability to interact more with your business with the flyer QR code. Bridge the gap between the offline and online worlds for just about anything. Calling your customer support team, sending text messages and emails, or redirecting them to your business website. You get a robust analytics and reporting system to go with this too. Fine-tune your print campaigns for maximizing your marketing ROIs. QR codes on posters. Posters are usually promotional material, and given the nature of print, it can be hard to fit all that you want to tell your buyers into a single sheet of paper. Deploying a QR code on movie posters, event posters, and offer promotions enables you to drive more traffic, provide users with more appealing content like videos, and up your engagement levels overall. QR codes on brochures. Leverage a QR code layer on your business brochures for maximal ROIs. Drive consumers to your online stores, web pages, and products launch events. And, better yet, tweak your campaigns on the go with precise data and insights pertaining to your QR code scans. QR codes on product packages. QR codes can prove to be an efficient engagement tool for CPG brands. From showing detailed product ingredient lists on GMO products to getting customers hooked with catchy advertisements, CPG companies can do a lot with QR codes on product packaging. With dynamic QR codes, the same QR code can be used to display a different campaign every day, without any reprinting. QR codes on labels and stickers. If you don't wish to integrate a QR code with already existing marketing collateral or new material, you don't have to do so. There are more time and cost-effective ways to leverage QR codes as a business. Print them as stickers and labels that you can bundle up with your product or service. QR codes in retail. Retailers can gain massively from deploying QR codes within store premises. When you place QR codes strategically across your retail store, you're getting a constant stream of first-party data. You can then use this data to glean valuable insights about your customers and send them non-intrusive, personalized ads on digital platforms. Given the stiff competition that retailers are facing from e-commerce giants like Amazon, it's all the more important for them to bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds. Delivering digital coupons, offering loyalty programs, instant checkout stations are all the technology first use cases for QR codes in retail stores. You can even provide an engaging in-store augmented reality experience with a QR code. QR codes in real estate. Create smart signs, show virtual tours of available properties, and provide seamless contact points with agents with QR codes in real estate. Dynamic QR codes help you reuse the same QR code to display different information, thereby saving time and effort. QR codes for videos. If you didn't know about this already, Red Notice is a recent star-studded Netflix movie that is shattering OTT platform records. It's currently the most streamed movie on Netflix. The reason behind all this? Brilliant marketing. An example of this is how the movie shows a QR code within a scene. Upon scanning, users are directed to a blooper reel on YouTube. You can do the same with video content. Use a QR code link to show how-to tutorials, recipes, behind the scenes, and more. QR codes for app downloads. If you're in the mobile application business and want users to download your app, make it seamless with a QR code. With a single scan, take users to the appropriate application store, Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. When you invest in a paid QR code solution like Beaconstack, you have the ability to detect the iOS directly and take users to your application on the right store. QR codes for PDFs. If you need to share important documents, such as legally mandated files or user manuals, leverage a QR code. Skip email and simply make the switch to a PDF QR code. All you have to do is upload your PDF to the QR code that you want it to be attached to. Use cases for the same include product info on packaging, warranty cards, resumes, and posters. Users can access these files with a single scan. If you wish to password protect your QR codes, note that only a few QR code solutions like Beaconstack offer the feature. QR codes for Facebook. Use QR codes to check in, share status updates, and get more engagement on Facebook. You can also drive consumers straight to your inbox with Facebook Messenger scan codes. In the restaurant and bar industry, you can place Facebook QR codes at tables and order tills. In the retail industry, you can place Facebook QR codes at checkout counters that help users check into your location online or leave a quick recommendation. Remember, for digital visibility, user-generated content is essential. QR codes for coupons. Avoid asking your customers to keep paper coupons at hand. Instead, they can simply scan a coupon QR code and unlock any offer digitally. They're especially a good combo with direct mail, as approximately 90% of direct mail is opened. Users still love receiving physical mail. Leverage this powerful mode of marketing through a coupon QR code. It's extremely easy to redeem too. QR codes for navigation. Make it easy for customers to navigate to your physical store with a location QR code by using Google Maps or Waze. Place these direction QR codes on billboards, business cards, posters, and more. For creating a Google Maps location code within Beaconstack, you don't even have to copy-paste the link. Simply enter the location on the dashboard and you're done. Add a Google Maps logo or your business logo with a compelling CTA to guide foot traffic to your store. QR codes for image gallery. Create a collection of images either on Pinterest or a mood board and convert it into a QR code, or better yet, with a mobile-friendly QR code solution like Beaconstack, you can create customized landing pages that allow you to place as many images as you need. Create stunning image galleries of this season's lookbook, virtual tours of available houses or cars, and share it with a single QR code. Deploy these strategically at retail stores, educational institutes, car dealerships, or on real estate signboards to allow anyone to view the gallery anytime. QR codes for vCard. As a business owner, you might want to share your own contact details or employee details to existing customers or leads. vCard QR codes allow you to do just this. Upon scanning a VR QR code, all your contact information, name, phone number, email address, company name, can be viewed and stored right on the smartphone in a single scan. Wish to create vCards for all your employees at once in bulk? Leverage Beaconstack's bulk generation feature either on Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. QR codes for text. Share contextual messages, coupons, quiz results, and more with a text QR code. All a user has to do is scan and view the text the QR code carries. You can even use a dynamic text QR code to reuse the same QR code to display different text based on your requirements. This is especially useful for scavenger hunts and for teachers who are using interactive learning. QR codes for feedback. Get feedback and ratings for your business by leveraging QR codes on product packaging, posters, in-store signage, and at checkouts. Use a simple type form that users can fill out to either leave you a rating or give you feedback. You can even add 4 to 5 specific questions to the form to get comprehensive feedback that you can utilize for improving your product or service. Incentivize buyers to fill out your feedback form or rate you online by improving customer experience. I said this before, but I'll say it again. User-generated content is king. QR codes for events. Get attendees to save events to their calendar and share event schedules and updates with an event QR code. Use dynamic event QR codes to allow attendees to receive current information with the same QR code. So, that's about it. I hope that this video has helped answer your queries about how you can leverage QR codes for your business. If you're a business owner looking to leverage QR codes for some of the use cases that we discussed above, or even others, check out BeaconStack's QR code solution. The link is in the description. If you have any more questions, be sure to shoot them in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.